Hey everyone, it's good to be back. My mother-in-law was visiting for 2.5 weeks, but she's gone home now, so it's time to get back to my regular work routine. So what I've got to show you today are these little junk journal bundles. They're just small ones, and they're listed in my Etsy shop. There are 10 of them here. I'm just going to show you the paper on the inside of one of these because they're very similar across all of them. And then I'll show you the individual ephemera for each of the small kits. Each of these has one of these larger vintage envelopes on the outside, so you could use this in any way that you want. And then there's a double-sided cardstock cover in these kind of jewel tones. These have been trimmed down to make a 6x6 cover, but you can also cut this or fold it or do whatever you like to make it smaller if you want. And then on the inside of each of these there's either an envelope or a typewritten letter. So this one here is an envelope, and then there are some doilies and pattern paper as well as blank paper. There's botanical book pages. And so, as I said, each one is very similar other than the pattern paper chosen matches the particular cover in each kit. So this can be coffee dyed if you want. This is a security envelope with the window. And so that's what's inside for pages to make a journal. So you can make a nice compact little pocket journal with this. And then there's a button card included, as well as a black and white photo, an old library catalog card, and a first day cover envelope that matches the kit, and they're dated in the 70s, and then a couple of modern day guest checks. There's also a vintage Russian postcard, and then each one has a photo slide. So this one is the more plastic type, where this slide just actually slides right out if you wanted to alter this and use it as a small frame or make a specimen card of sorts. So that's what's included in this one. This one is in the pink and purple colors with a button on that twine closure. The button card, postcard and photo slide, black and white photo, and same as before, just first day cover. This one has the reds and orange and purple. The button card is attached to the ribbon closure, and these are some very nice golden embossed metal buttons. Black and white photo, first day cover, guest checks. This is the gorgeous postcard and photo slide. This one has the teal and purple and just a pop of red there. Gorgeous buttons. Black and white photo with the envelope, postcard and photo slide. Here's the next one, the gorgeous pink buttons and black and white photo, first day cover, guest checks, and postcard. This one is blank. Here we have blue and pink. Here's the next one. Here's another gorgeous color combination. Beautiful peonies. And the last one is again the teal, purple, black combination. These are gorgeous buttons. They're like two-tone. There's like a little stripe, white stripe there. Very pretty. Lovely lady. And some gorgeous tulips and a Kodak photo slide. And this one is blank. So these are in my shop now, and next time I am going to be showing this journal that I've just started. I am using the Floral Symphony printables that I've just released, and so this is what I will be working on, and I'll have a video as soon as I'm finished. So if you have any questions about these, let me know, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.